tout prevent à Angové. Prévention IBT en cure, tessé. Ia alvel angot curing à Angové, buuldin it bbt notu avit int first place. Terar kita fetting you can do to prepare for a night of drinking en prevent yourself from spending at next day with your reading at toilet. Une fortunately, ton lit sur firway tout prevent à Angové to no drink al, buo ertefninta. Before drinking. Yat sommeting. Comment l'y referait tout à soakage, yating sommeting before a night of moderate to heavy drinking definitely help to lessen effect of a hangover. In fact, the more you yat, the more time it will take for alcohol to affect you. Because food help to reduce the formation of acetaldehyde in your stomach, en it substance tied to become cause of hangover. 1. Fatty, carbohydrate free food, such pizza en pasta, are best for preventing hangover, a fat slow your body absorption of alcohol. 2. Ove, if you are trying to eat healthily, go for only fish that contain healthy fatty acids, such as salmon, true en mackerel. 2. Take vitamin. Your body use up a lot of vitamin en nutrient when metabolizing alcohol, while alcohol itself destroy essential B vitamin. Depleted of those vitamin, your body a to keep wiping itself back into shape, leading to dreaded hangover. You can help your body live out by taking a vitamin supplement leading up to an major drinking event. For the most effective reçu, opt for B complex, B6 or B12 vitamin. 3. Vitamin B supplement can be found in most drugstore en supermarket, or you can increase your intake of B vitamin naturally by eating IV, milk animal product, such as milk and cheese. 4. Have a spoon of olive oil. Miema sundalit plugros, bumani méditerranéen culture swir bt hangover prévention technique. Basically, it some principle a eating fatty food before drinking, the fat in olive oil will limit your body absorption of alcohol. So if you can stomach it, swallow a tablespoon of olive oil before you eat out a fortnight. 2. Alternatively, you can increase your intake of olive oil less directly by dipping some crusty bread into it, or drizzling it over a salad. Drink milk. Milky often said to help prevent hangover it form a cat lining of the stomach, which may help to limit amount of alcohol that absorbed into your bloodstream. Will trilit le scientific evidence to back up the notion that milk help to prevent a hangover. There are many people WHO swear beat method. If nothing else, milk is a healthy source of calcium and B vitamin, so drinking it can hurt. 2. Drinking sensibly. Stick with one type of alcohol. Mixing drink your worst enemy when it come to hangover. Because different alcohol contain various additives, flavoring, en haute éléments which, when combined, can give you mote of al hangover a your body struggle to process everything at once. Os beer or vodka or wine or rum, but whatever you do, don't have them all in on a night. Os your drink can stick to it. Cocktails are particularly lethal, as they usually contain 2 or more alcohol mixed together. If you can resist the bright colorant in your umbrella, try to at least limit yourself to a maximum of 2 cosmopolitan. Os light liquor. Dark liquor, like brandy, whisky, bourbon en somme tequila, have a concentration of toxins congénères, which are formed during the process of fermenting and distilling alcohol. The toxins can contribute to the severity of your hangover. So if you're going to drink that stuff, stick with light colored liquor like vodka and gin to lessen your intake of toxin. 3. Alternate alcoholic drink with water. Alcohol is diuretic, which it make you urinate more, leading to dehydration. Dehydration is one of the major cause of hangover symptoms like thirst, dizziness and headache. Therefore, the more water you drink to hydrate before, during and after drinking, less severe your hangover is likely to be the next morning. 5. Have a big glass of water before you start drinking, Ten try to drink a glass of water for every alcoholic drink that you have over the course of tonight. Your body will thank you for it in the morning. Drinking water in between alcoholic drink will also slow the speed of your alcohol consumption, preventing you from drinking too much too quickly. Avoid the mixer. Mixer sushadie le monade ordie colar no agodida when you're drinking. Due to the fact that the mixer contain no sugar or calorie, we to wish alcohol shoot directly into the bloodstream. Sticking with the regular version of mixer keeps a calorie in your system, which should work in your favor once morning rolls around. 3. Even to regular mixer are better than the version, fruit juice y a better option than it. Juice ion carbonated. Which go down carbonated beverage increase the speed of alcohol absorption, will it also contain a certain amount of vitamin, which certainly do hurt. Be careful with champagne and sparkling wine. Champagne and sparkling wine can literally go straight to your head. Study have shown that the effect of bubble in alcohol increase the delivery of alcohol through your system and cause you to become intoxicated fast. 1. If you are even susceptible you can resist a little bubble, try drinking just a glass of champagne during the toast and drink a for alcohol for the rest of the evening. Know your limit. Know your limit and stick to them. Nar reality if you drink too much alcohol, some form of a hangover is inevitable. A hangover is your body natural way of clearing the toxin in alcohol from your body. So the more you imbibe, the nastier hangover will be. The be of alcoholic beverage it take to a state of intoxication vary from person to person and knowing your own limit is important. Usually recommended that you don't have more than 3 beverage in an ion to 2 or period, and no more than 5 beverage in on a night. 6. Pay attention to a different type of alcohol affect you. No matter what study say, every person ability to metabolize alcohol differ and you'll no be experience which beer, wine, spirit, or liquor work for you or play havoc with your body. Listen to your own body reaction and take care accordingly. Keep in mind that regardless of all the preventative measures you can take, ton lit suffire to avoid a hangover in to drink alcohol. Failing that, you should pay close attention to quantity, less alcohol consumed, to better your chance of avoiding a hangover. Simple A. After drinking. Rehydrate. A mentionné above. Dehydration is main cause of hangover symptom. To head off dehydration in advance, pour yourself a large glass of water as soon as you get home, and drink it all before going to bed. Also remember to bring a glass or bottle of water with you to leave on your nightstand and sip whenever you wake up through good night. You may need to get up to relieve yourself at 4 am but you'll feel better for it in the morning. The next morning, regardless of how you feel, drink a not big glass of water. Drink it at room temperature if water from the fridge it or on your stomach. You can also rehydrate and replace lost electrolyte by drinking energy drink or coconut water. Flaging will help you to upset tummy, while orange juice will give you energy. Avoid caffeine the morning after drinking, as it will only dehydrate you further. If you absolutely need it, limit yourself to just 1 cup of coffee or have something less intense, like I said. Yet a good breakfast. A moderately healthy, but hearty breakfast after a night drinking can work wonder. The food will settle your stomach, will also giving you energy. Try some toast topped with a little butter and jam, or better yet, some scrambled egg. The toast will soak up on excess alcohol let in your stomach, while the egg contain protein and B vitamin perfect for replenishing your body natural resource. You should also eat fresh fruit to get the benefit of their vitamin and water content. If you want to go, try a fruit smoothie, healthy and satisfying.